Are you tired of trying diet after diet and still not seeing results? What if your real problem is not what you eat, but how your body produces energy? Most people struggle with weight and low energy because their metabolism slows down over time. When your metabolism is slow, your body stores more fat and burns fewer calories. That's where Mitolyn comes in. Mitolyn is a natural supplement designed to support your mitochondria, the part of your cells responsible for producing energy and burning calories. When your mitochondria work efficiently, your body can turn fat into energy and keep your metabolism active throughout the day. With Mitolyn, users report more daily energy, better appetite control, faster metabolism, better workout performance, easier weight management, and all of this without stimulants or extreme dieting. Mitolyn is manufactured in FDA-registered facilities following GMP quality standards. It also comes with a money-back guarantee so you can try it risk-free. If you're serious about improving your metabolism and getting your body back on track, click the official Mitolyn link in the description below right now. This is the only place where you can get the real product and the full guarantee. Due to high demand, Mitolyn often sells out. Check availability on the official website before it's gone.